You showed up late to see me off. Snack bags, maps in the dashboard dust. Your mom said back by 10 at least. We laughed and called that wishful trust. You said, come on, let's shake a leg. Engine coughed and installed in place. Wrong turn right out of my driveway. Already lost, already amazed. You start to speak your mind about how you're scared to drive at night. I said, I won't talk you into this. If you wanna turn back, fine. But we missed that sign, hit the dead end line, radio broke, so we sang off time. It was a no-brainer staying there with you in that busted car under fading blue. Yeah, the road trip crash plans all went sideways, but your hand found mine and it changed my always guess the wrong way. Run down an empty lane turned into the best thing anyway. We shared cold fries and melted shakes. Called your dad from a parking space. He tried to talk you into coming home. You rolled your eyes, put him on holding grace. He said, I gotta speak my mind. I'm tired of living on safe and sure. Then you hung up, smiled too wide, like you just kicked down a locked up door. You traced the routes in the fogged up glass. Said maybe we're right on track at last. I thought, man, this feels like something big, like the first time life finally fits. We had no clear map, just a fate in the sky. Dead on low gas, but the time flew by. It was a no-brainer staying there with you, making up new towns we were driving through. Yeah, the road trip crash plans all went sideways, but your laugh got loud and it changed my always guess the wrong way. Run down an empty lane turned into the best thing anyway. Best thing anyway. Now every time I see you off at some train, some gate, some ticking clock, you say, let's shake a leg, we'll miss it. I just grin cause I still feel that misstep magic. Oh, yeah. We missed that sign, hit the dead end line, radio broke, so we sang off time.